Welcome viewer.
It's ZOS9.
This video tutorial describes fix Windows 11, 10 endless reboot loop solution. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next. Click Repair your computer. First method is click Command Prompt. Type chkdsk space, /f space, /x space, /r space, c:. Second method is click System Restore. Click if any restore points available. Third method is click Uninstall Updates. First, uninstall latest quality updates. If same error still exists, uninstall latest feature update. Fourth method is click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. Star indicate under GPT the partition type is UEFI. Type select space, disk space, 0. Type list space, partition. Select your system partition. Type assign space, letter equals E. Type c:. Type bcd boot space, installed Windows drive /Windows space, /L space, n-us space, slash S space, Z colon space, slash F space, all. Type disk part. Type remove space, letter equal to Z.
Yeah.
Exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.